I don't want to lose my video how to cut long layers because I keep losing it on Pinterest. So I'm going to show you the first hairdresser lady, and I looked at a bunch of them before I decided. Did a horseshoe, a curved horseshoe around her head. So she did a horseshoe, and these are hairdressers I was following. And so we did a horseshoe around the crown of your head and made a crown to do the diagonal layers that frame the face. Then I used, I looked at this, and they have this on Amazon for $25 called Ocean Wave Sea Salt Water. So we went to the sea and got this little bottle filled at the ocean and got a free Ocean Wave sea salt. So they wet their hair first because I have curly hair, right? Now I'm going to just rehash this haircut in a brief, short thingamabob so I can remember. So it's the U-shape horseshoe, okay? U-shape. Start here around the crown, go around, and then you wet it and comb it forward so you have a straight line. Now I followed this lady who is she said she's a good hairdresser, so I believe her, and she went right below her bottom lip, straight, but then she brought it all in, so that way when you cut it, it'll diagonal your face. You have to bring it into the middle and pinch it. Then she, with your finger, she did that diagonal cut, diagonal. Okay, so she said that gives it a little more wisp. All right, so once you're done with the front, fling that back. Then the next hairdresser that I looked at to do long layers, all right, so I'm just wetting it with sea salt. You want to do it on wet hair. All right, he went straight down, all right, and did long layers. So you start one section at a time, just going straight down and grab and my hair was really long and frizzy, so I think this is going to help. So that's why I wanted to remember it. He said you come across your face like a diagonal and diagonal your finger, right? See that? Oh, look, I did the nice diagonal. And then you diagonal cut it. Oh, I'm going to get those phrases out. Is that diagonal? It's a good thing I'm doing it again on video. And then I like how she does those point cuts like that. And then that's your guide. Then you do the other side, okay? So you go straight down, straight from around the same area down. Okay, then you have this area. It's looking all curly and frizzy. Then you want to wet it, comb it, and you just do the whole head like this. I'm going to show you really fast. All right, so this diagonal goes across. All right, and so you want to make sure they're the same length. So you want to kind of go like that and be like, oh, around the same area. Yeah. Okay, so then you have this lovely diagonal over here, and you cut it up like that. All right, so you have your two, and those are your guidelines, he said. So after you do your guidelines, you just keep going a section at a time, pulling a little section forward, and mine's still wet because I just did it, and meeting that section, going down, pulling it forward a section at a time to your guideline. You always want to make sure you can see that guideline. The guideline is the first one we just did together, okay? And then you meet that back layer to the front layer guideline, and you do that diagonal cut. All right, and then you keep going. Diagonal across, and I just did this, so it's already matching. Diagonal cut, then you go to your back one, pull it forward, wet it, and then you always match it and make sure you can see your guideline. So they all, when you come across, he showed it, come across the face, diagonal the hand, and you do your diagonal cut. And then I like the little point cut you do, okay? So let's do that again. You go straight down, across. It's all wet, hopefully, from my sea salt. And you come across the face to make a really nice diagonal. That's the diagonal cut. And that is how we at home do long layers. Then he said to wet it, I use some sea salt spray. I use a little bit of coconut oil, and I like a little bit of tea tree oil just because I heard they're really good because I have dry curly hair, for moisture, to moisturize your hair. And then voila, you just got yourself a $90 haircut at home, because that's what my daughter said that they had charged. And I have long layers. Can't wait to see it dry. Over now, I wanted to not forget how to do a long layer haircut at home. So, Renee, that's you. Watch this again when you need to cut your hair in a year. Love.